our sliding 3-track system, which we have recently developed for the mass housing projects. This is a 3-track sliding system, which we have shown the maximum width is 1500 by 1500. In this, we are showing a Flymesh in SS, so you can see this movement of the. It is also available with multi-point locking. This system is a 3-track system with a frame width of 87 mm, and it has the capacity of glass from 5 mm to 11.5 mm thickness, and we are using black EPDM gaskets, as you can see in the system. A very smooth movement. This comes with Flymesh, as I have already explained. So this is the advantage, and we can supply these systems efficiently to various mass housing high-rise projects as well. So this is one of the series of Koemmerling, which is available again in white as well as in various lamination shades.